nails, and today I'm with my sister, Soumi. And today we're going to be doing a jelly video. When guys, my dad is bought orange. So my sister's going to be doing orange, and I'm going to be doing strawberry. And the next day, I'm going to be doing orange, and she's going to be doing strawberry. I'm going to be over here. She can't reach. So, first thing you do is you cut off the jelly. And make sure you have an adult or older brother and sister to help you. And guys, if you know, if you don't tell your sister to help you. This jelly is the best jelly in the world. Guys, look at mine. It's so orangey. I can't wait to touch it with strawberry and orange. Goodbye. I'm just joking, guys. Sometimes your blocks will end up a little like this because of miscut, and sometimes you'll have some spares here. But that's okay, I get them all the time. And the next round we're gonna pour hot water. But don't forget, children is not allowed to pour hot water by themselves. I'm super excited. And make sure our adult helps because it's hot water against cold water. There's my sister's jelly for you guys, and there's my jelly. As you can see, I have a little over ones that have been, ripped, and it's okay. It'll all look this way. So this is the orange, and this is the strawberry. Make sure our adult helps bring the hot water and pour it into your jelly. You guys, as you can see, this is not my sister's hand. My dad behind the camera is pouring it for her. Look at it! Oh, look at that.
Now you're gonna stir gently.
Stir gently, you guys. Guys, look. Guys, look at mine. Whoa. Adding the boiling hot water, so my dad is behind the camera doing it for me. My both hands are here. Now stir it gently. So amazing. Anyways, and you see, you guys, there's still some little bits here. The hot water will melt the jelly, so you can do the stirring, but as long as there's an adult watching over. One, number 3. Make sure our adult helps cold water and wow, that looks so awesome! Half of a cold water and babies. Let me do it, Dad. Let me. And now children can pour in the hot water as long as they don't spill it. Oh no, not the cold water. You guys don't pour the hot water. We are gonna ladle. My sister's gonna have the small one. If the young, it's good for young ones like my sister to have a small ladle because the bigger one will put more pressure on the muscle. Like this. You're gonna take one of your big bowls and you're gonna pour. My jelly looks like this different than your jelly. Make sure you've washed your hands for this process. That's enough. Now it's time for this one.
Yeah, one more, Salma.
Mine's already running out of jelly. Mine is not. Because I stirred it properly.
You got exactly the same.
Mine is not. But I have a bigger ladle. And the ladle takes more. And this one takes... I'm going to take a little more amount. For the cups. Wow, we just finished at the same time. Make sure to have spoons like this. Now, hold it from the mug.
Let's get this over the bowl, well done. Come on,
Catch up, sis. I'm trying. That'll be enough.
I know, I'm just really...
Hey, we finished at the same time again.
I know, it's so cool. I'm finishing mine now.
Come on.
Finished. Almost.
Finished. Almost.
Alright. 2 big ones and 2 mugs.
And you guys, surprisingly, I think me and my sister are twins. Because we finished at the exact same time, all of them. It's just my sister's doing a refill because she has a smaller ladle. And now I'm gonna wash my arm because my arm hairs are really, really sticky. You need to leave it outside to cool down and then put it in the fridge for 3 hours and it's ready to eat. Yeah. And guys, mine is, if I smell my orange, and mine is so disgusting good.
So disgusting good.
Yeah.
How is it disgusting good? I like that.
Yeah. And you guys, while you wait for it to cool down, you can put it in a fun shape. You can put it in a diamond. If you turn it this way, you can put it in a square. If you turn it this way, then you can put it in another square. And if you do it, it's super fun. If you this way. It can be a triangle. I'm trying to put them in the fridge right now.
Come on, son.
Either to cool it for 3 hours to eat. Hope you enjoyed this video, because if you did, turn that subscribe button. Smash it, but don't hurt it. And ding the notification bell next to it, and you'll never miss any of our new videos we upload. Give this video and all our videos we upload that you watch a big thumbs